Welcome to this 10-minute meditation practice to feel more home within your body and to feel at peace with yourself. Coming to a comfortable seated position with your spine tall and your neck long. If it feels safe to do so, begin to gently close your eyes or holding a soft gaze on any object. Tuning inwards, begin to follow your inhalations and your exhalations. Noticing where each breath lands. Maybe it's in the chest or in the belly. Wherever it is, just let it guide you closer to yourself. Begin to imagine the space around you as a vast and unexplored forest. See yourself sitting amongst the trees. In this grounding stillness, you can feel the wind brush your shoulders and hear the leaves moving about. Each breath bringing about more calmness into your being. The energy from this magical forest grounds you in this stillness. Inhale and exhale. Your breath guides you home to this magic within you. It helps bring about love and peace. The love and peace that is within you, and the love and peace that surrounds you. With each inhalation, repeat the affirmation, I am. And with each exhalation, repeat home. Inhale, I am. exhale, home. Moving at your own breath and your own pace. I am home. I am home. To be home within yourself. To be a safe haven during turmoil. You are safe within your being. You are safe and you are loved. Calling on your breath whenever you need to be reminded of this throughout your days. Simply remember that you are home. Bringing awareness back into your space, back into your body. Maybe wiggling your fingers and your toes. Moving your head from side to side. Deepening your inhale and filling the belly with this beautiful breath. Taking a few more moments in this awareness and in this stillness. Swooping your hands above your head, bringing your palms into prayer, and lowering to heart center. Let's take a moment to bow our heads in gratitude to ourselves for taking the time to bring a sense of ease and calm into our bodies, and reminding ourselves the safety that is within us. Thank you. Namaste.